Just had the carpet cleaned today, and after that I'll be putting the stuff in. I just did the laundry, and it's getting dark now. It's gonna rain anytime soon. Oh shit, look at all those things that I need to clean, man. Anyway, that's life. And yeah, so it's gonna be a new day tomorrow. It's gonna be Friday. I'll be going back to work, so I'm gonna be tired today. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I'm leaving this place that I've lived for a few years now, and I'm just having cleaning right now. Carpet cleaning. The place is clean. Oh yeah. Okay, I got hungry. I'm gonna go out and get something to eat. I don't have a car, so I'll be on the skateboard now. Yeah, I'm not yet finished cleaning the house. It's already 2 o'clock. Done the carpet cleaning, and I'm gonna do the little things, the toilet and everything else. It's gonna be a long day for me. Yeah, it's gonna be, oh my goodness. But I'm really hungry now, I need to eat. Okay, I just finished my sumptuous lunch and breakfast. And I can't find my cap. Fuck. Anyway, I just finished my lunch and my breakfast. And then I'm going back to the house again to do the cleaning. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this place here. But anyway, need to start working now. Let's go. I'm heading to Faulkner to finish cleaning the house, but I decided to waste my time and do skateboarding from work. So look at that. Look at that painting there. The artwork. It's cool, right? Yeah, that's what you do when you travel via bicycle or skateboard. Like you skateboard now. Yeah, I'm trying to check this out. You can see there this rock climbing, and yeah, that caught my attention. But anyway, I'm heading out now because it's getting dark. She wanted to close the casket. I understood why. Must be the looks. So I'm currently at a jewel station, just taking some photos. But the photos here at the back are they've taken it off, like I told you before. But yeah, we're going till. That's the bike shop I want. I'm gonna try to film it there. Yeah, let's film it. Places I wanted to photograph, but yeah, it's gone. Yeah, gone. Oh. Oh, there used to be artworks from here. But nah, I can't find any right now. Lots of bikers. I need to drive properly now. Always love passing by here, taking photos, taking videos. So yeah, this is one of the places I want. And yeah, we're in Anstey right now. I'm still cruising. The bikes are so fast. They're faster than me. Like I saw, oh, there was one guy there running, and yeah, it was around 15 Ks, and he's not stopping. And it's, man, I feel like shit. He was really fast and running. Anyway, the road's really bad. I'm gonna stop now. Trying to catch up with that guy. He's really fast. That guy's really fast, and it's really windy now. It's still running. That guy just pulled to the stoplight in this train tracks. Man, he was really fast. Okay, I gotta rest and let me take some photos, but where am I now? Brunswick, Orland, or whatever. Have to check. Lights. if I only could bike that fast, I'd be biking now, but I can't. So I'm just skateboarding now. And man, it's fun if you bike. It's really windy now. Okay, I'm now in Coburg. I'm a bit delayed because I was shooting a lot of photos. But yeah, having fun now, having fun. Yeah, it's kind of cold also. I'm seeing a lot of bikers coming in. And yeah, the road's good here, so I'm vlogging. So yeah, the road's good here, so that's why I'm vlogging. But you just have to be careful also. Okay, I'm in Coburg now. That's cool. So currently, train's coming. I'm currently in the Batman station, and yeah, it's getting dark, but I can see my road because I have my shred lights with me. Now the train's coming. I'll be meeting it anytime soon. So let's just see how it works. The light's gonna... Oh, come on, train. Where is the train? I'm just gonna stop and wait for the train now. The train's from the other side. That's it. Let's go. Yep, there's the train. Cinematic after all, but yeah, I'm near Faulkner right now, and my nose is getting wet because it's cold. It's like I'm getting sick or something, but yeah, gotta drive properly now because there might be cars. I'm on the road. So I got back here and yeah, just ran inside and took a pee because it was really cold. I didn't have to say that, too much information. Anyway, the ride was good. It was around, I have to check my stats, but it was around 15 kilometers. I had to, the only problem I had was the roads has those gaps, and whenever your skateboard passes by them, you like bounce a lot and you're gonna go off balance and everything, and small rocks. But other than that, oh, there's one more thing. Once you pass by Royal Park, what's it? I don't know. Once you pass by near Melbourne Uni, bikes are not allowed on the footpath, so bikes has to go near the road. I want to skateboard. I'm a newbie. I have no idea how to skate. I'm scared of driving the road, but I did drive a few meters. But the thing is, yeah, it's really scary if you don't know how to ride a bike, or you're not. Yeah, you just suck at it. You might fall off and die in the road. So safety first. Anyway, yeah, it was a good ride. I'll have to check my stats later, but I have to start cleaning the house now. So let's do it. Let's go.